Hello guys, MMMK Kali back again with another video and welcome to Nmap for beginners. Today in this tutorial we will see that how hackers check a system whether this system is live or not. So let's see how to check your target machine. Checking for live system. First, we send a ping scan involved sending a ICMP echo request to a host. If the host is live, it will return an ICMP echo reply. This scan is useful for locating active devices or determining if ICMP is passing through a firewall. First, the ping sweep is used to determine the live host from a range of IP addresses by sending ICMP echo requests to the multiple hosts. If a host is live, it will return an ICMP echo reply. Attacker calculate a subnet mask using subnet mask calculator to identify the number of hosts present in the subnet. The attacker then using ping sweep to create an inventory of live system in the subnet. Now open your Kali machine and open your terminal and you can just simply type ping. Ping command is used to check any system is live or not. So first we check the IP address 192.168.81.129. This is the IP address of my Metasploitable 2 and now hit enter. Now here you can see that the 64 byte from this IP address ICMP echo request send and it give response back. It means this system, this target is live now. And if you want to check the host to so you can just clear the terminal and now you can use the ping www.google.com and now hit enter and now here you can response back. Here we see that this is the IP address of the google.com and now this google.com is live now. And if you want to check the facebook.com, you can just simply type www.facebook.com and now hit enter and here you can also see the result. We have find the IP address of the facebook.com and now the current this system is live now. This host is live now and you can use this ping command to check any system is live or not. And if you want to use Nmap also to check the system live or not by simply using this command nmap hyphen sn and enter the target IP address 192.168.81.129 and now hit enter and here we can see the result. This system is host is up. It means this system is live now. And if you want to check and if you want to set the subnet mask IP address and check the range of the target IP address present in the what system are live. Now you can just simply type the nmap and hyphen sn 192.168.81 and dot and 02255 and now hit enter and here you can now see the result. Here we see that the three host is up now and this the first is 192.168.81.2. This is the IP address of my window machine and nmap scan report the 128 the 192.168.81.128. This is the IP address of my Kali machine and this IP address of my Metasploitable tool. And here we can this way you can check and you can set the range of the IP address and check in the range what are the systems are live or not. And you can use Nmap also graphical user interface to check any system live or not. 192 dot, and here you can set the target 168.81.129. This is the IP address of Metasploit 2. In the profile, you can select the ping scan command and now scan. And here we can see the result. The host is up now and the MAC address of the host is this. And this way you can check the system is live or not. Okay, and thank you and subscribe to my channel.